My names are Mary Machero. I come from Africa, Kenya. 2 years ago, I was diagnosed with multiple myeloma. I've been going under treatment, and then after the treatment, I was asked to go for further treatment for BMT, so that the disease can be pressed down. And so I was referred to India by someone from Kenya, our country. And so we followed up and we found that the lady was treated from Fortis, and that is where
she diagnosed with a disease called multiple myeloma, which is a type of bone marrow cancer and which involves the plasma cells. She diagnosed almost a year ago in Kenya and treated with the chemotherapy there. And after receiving the chemotherapy, when our disease is well controlled, he came to India for bone marrow transplantation. And I am very happy and very fortunate that she chose our center over many other centers in the country. So we started the treatment with a very positive note. We first assess her, how the patient's general condition is, and then we have done the stem cell collection and then completed the bone marrow transplant procedure, which took 14 days duration. She tolerated the procedure very well and she had a very few complications thanks to our entire BMT team, our nursing team, particularly Aruna sister, Catherin sister, Maya sister, with their great effort, and our constant vigil of our junior doctors make it is a very successful transplant of her, and she is now will be staying outside for 2-3 weeks, and after that assessment she is finally will be departing our country to Kenya to complete the rest of the treatment. Thank you all.
It is a month ago since I came here. Several tests were done, and then my BMT was done. The services here are very high. The doctors and the nurses follow you up through 24/7. I have no complaint about my treatment. In fact, I have never seen such type of treatment in my lifetime. This is my first time to experience such a high-tech type. For those who would need to have a BMT done, I will always ask them to consider Fortis, Mulund in India, because the services here are high and the doctors and the nurses are so committed to their work. I'm very glad with what I've gone through, and I'll always consider and recommend someone in need of treatment to come to India. Their charges are not high, but the services are very high. Thank you.